Good morning, Zara, how are you?
Good morning to Sahar. I am fine, and you?
Thanks, I am fine too. How did you start morning?
Oh, so good morning. I have started best morning.
What did you do first?
I ate and drank breakfast.
Did you offer morning prayer?
Yes, I did.
How many rakats of prayer did you offer?
I offer 4 rakats.
What is the meaning of full and empty in prayer?
Full means offering alhamdi with a surah, and empty means offering only alhamdi.
What did you do after prayer?
After prayer I went to school with my classmates.
How were studies in school?
Studies were bad in school.
Why studies were bad in school?
For teachers did not come to class.
Why teachers did not come to class?
Because there was session in school for final examination.
Okay, thanks, have a good day, bye.
Anytime, have a good day too, bye.